whatever I do. If you become mine, I'll love you so much. People will crave to have a fate like yours. You are the voice of my soul. Didn't I tell you you are truly special, like the blush of dawn spreading across the sky? The drop from your cheek falls right into my heart. I had such faith in my love, and with the same faith I lost my life. Haven't I always adored you? See, I've decorated my scarf with stars for you. Though love is forbidden, still go ahead. You have my permission to love. If I had another life to live, I'd spend it too. Loving you.